Hey guys, and welcome back. Just now leaving Johnstone Supply. Going ahead to Snellville right now. I sold some work earlier this week. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that today. It's a little bit of work. We're doing pressure saver kit, stretch protection, rejuvenating the outdoor coil, and installing a sub pump. So for this one, it comes in at the top, so I gotta get the voltage for that. And we are off. I'm gonna turn this on just to get them cooling, and then I'll do the other unit, and then I'll wash both of these. So it only rose 1 degree inside, 71, but at least, you know, now I get to test the system. You see the green light. Everything's running very well. This is the basement. I'm basically going to do the exact same thing. Gonna go ahead and get these coils nice and soaked. The reason why I hose it down like that is because it hasn't been cleaned in like 3 or 4 years. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare for the next system. You can see all that debris that's on the coils that's coming off. These are the ones I just cleaned, look brand new. This is the dirty filth. I'm not sure if you're able to tell, some of the water is clear and most of it's brown. That's why you want to push it out until it's clear. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. I'm going to put the top back on. Alright, so we got that done. Might as well go vacuum this one out. Alright. so we're leaving that call. My next call is a evaporator coil, and I had somebody waiting on me because I have the nitrogen tank. So I might put this in this video. I imagine this video is already pretty long, but if not, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.